the domain of the function is, they gave one interval, then what is this value we should find. Let's take all the condition and we will find the x values which are satisfying the all the conditions. That is the domain, right? First condition, 18x square minus 11x plus 1 must be what? Positive, because log is defined only for positive values. So middle term we can split as minus 9x minus 2x plus 1 greater than 0. 9x taking as common, 2x minus 1, minus 1 take it as common, 2x minus 1 greater than 0. So x value is clearly 1 by 2 comma 1 by 9, right? It should be positive. So that means x belongs to where now? Smaller than 1 by 9 or greater than 1 by 2. As of now this is the interval, right? Similarly we also can take further conditions. Now this is the in base, no? So when it is in base it should not be 1, and that it should be positive. Why it is not in 1 means when you write in denominator log 1 is 0, when it is denominator 0 means it is undefined. That's why two conditions possible here, 10x square minus 17x plus 7 positive, and another condition 10x square minus 17x plus 7 which is not equal to 1. Let's simplify this. So middle term we can split as 10x minus 7x here plus 7 greater than 0. 10x can take it as common, x minus 1, minus 7 take it as common, x minus 1 which is positive. So roots are clearly 1 by 1 and 7 by 10, right? 1 and 7 by 10 are the roots, right? Positive only, no? So smaller than smaller value or greater than greater value. So minus infinity up to 7 by 10 union 1 to infinity. These are the possible values. Similarly from this 10x square minus 17x plus 6 which is not equal to 0. Product is 60, sum is minus 17. So minus 12 minus 5 we can take simply. Minus 12x minus 5x plus 6 which is not equal to 0. 2x we can take it as common. So 5x minus 6 possible. Minus 1 take it as common, 5x minus 6 which is not equal to 0. That means clearly x is not equal to 1 by 2 comma 6 by 5. Except these two, any real number is satisfied according to this condition. Now we can take all these in a single real number line and we will find the common parts. Let's take a real number line. Observe, x must be not equal to 1 by 2, 6 by 5. 6 by 5 means what? More than 1 only. So here let us take it as 1 by 2, not possible. Even 6 by 5 also not possible. These two values are not possible from this condition. Next, from this condition, 1 by 9. 1 by 9 means what? Here we can take it smallest number, and 1 by 2 means here only, right? So smaller than this side, that means let's draw like this, and greater than 1 by 2 means let's draw, however it is 1 by 2 is not included, so this side let's draw like this, and here 6 by 5 also not possible, like this, right? Now from the second one, 7 by 10 and 1 only, no? 7 by 10 means 0.7, so greater than 1 by 2, here possibility is there, 7 by 10. So this side we can take all the possible values. Next, greater than 1, no? So 6 by 5 is there, here 6 by 5 means greater than 1 only, so here only 1. So from here onwards we can take 1. This side I am taking. So these are the all possible common values. Now finally x belongs to where? Observe, minus infinity to 1 by 9 first interval union. Here 1 by 2 to 7 by 10 possible, 1 by 2 to 7 by 10 possible union, 6 by 5 to up to infinity except this value, that is what? 1 to infinity except 6 by 5. Okay, 6 by 5 only, no, not possible, from 1 onwards included, right? Okay, 1 to infinity except 6 by 5, right? Now we can compare with the given data. It is a clearly a value, it is b value, c value, d value, and it is what now? E value. Now we should add these all and we can multiply with 90. Okay, right? Then add a plus b plus c plus d plus e. So we want 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 10 plus 1 plus 6 by 5. Okay. Okay, let's take it LCM here. 5, 10 to 9. Okay, so 90 we can take LCM clearly. So with 9, 10 times, so 10. With 2, 45 times. With 10, 9 times, 9 sevens are 63. Here 90. With 5, 19. With 5, 18 times. And 18 6 are 108. Okay, let's add these all. 45 plus 10, 55. 55 plus 63, 55, 63, 90 and 108. These all we should add. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 5, 21 and 3, 316 by 90 we will get. So 316 by 90, and this is the value we should multiply with 90 now finally, because 90 times we want, right? So 90 times when you multiply it, automatically you will get the answer is what? 316 we will get it. Okay, so our option is option 4.